Hi Busy Girls! I'm excited to share with you how I live an active lifestyle while being a mom, a career woman, and a wife. I'm Michelle, and I'm glad you found my channel. Let's face it, girls, it's hard to find time to eat right and work out when you have a million other things you need to be doing. Watch my videos and I'll share tips with you on how I stay fit and eat right being a busy girl. You can do what I do right now with my Busigirl Fitness app. I have added my monthly workouts and we can do this together. It has every activity that I do to keep fit. It's all shown with how-to videos and easy descriptions. It's only $10 a month, or save right now by signing up for 12 months for only $100. So ladies, for only 27 cents a day, you can do the same workouts I do and save time in planning. Each month, I will change it up, shocking your body good with a new routine and keep us from hitting a plateau. It's right on your phone and easy to operate. This app gives you precious time back and has an instant messaging button where we can communicate and I can send you encouraging messages and you can join my tribe. How do you join? Send me an email at busigirlfitness@gmail.com or go straight to the website at busigirlfitness.com.